Today, guys, we are welding spider gears. I started on it. I'm trying to make my lawnmower where it doesn't have that where one tire spins and the other one don't. You know what I mean? But I got one side done. I'm finishing the other side. But should work pretty good. I got my video camera holder right here.
Hey.
We're fixing to weld. Just hold it right here. Hold it right here and just close your eyes. No, you ain't got to do it yet. Just get close to it. Not too close. About right there.
Yeah.
And just hold it on it. And close your eyes. It's hard to weld these things.
About to go, guys.
Fire.
Am I good doing?
Good.
Got it in your eyes?
Smoke. It's got oil on it, that's why it's smoking. Should have cleaned it off better. Got one more spot to weld. Should be good.
At the very top.
Alright, ready?
Ready? Close your eyes. We good, bro?
Yeah.
Okay. Whew. It's red hot. Look at it in the mirror. It's blue.
But that's how you do it. If you guys want to do this, make sure you see the gears. You want to clean them out with a brush because you don't want that in your transmission because it'll lock the gears up. But that's it, guys, and remember, always wear goggles. Alright, thank you.